Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. And so today I'm looking at a Grand Design Solitude that's a 2015. Well, it was actually a 16. It was made in 12 of 15. And so while the customer came in, he just got back from a long trip. He came in and said, hey, do a wheel bearing pack. We ended up finding some brake issues and suspension issues and whatnot. But one of the things he had was he had a really early version of a Roadmaster kit. And it was such an old version that we hadn't even seen it. And so Jim here has got these old style roller bushings that were in there. And look at how bad those were worn out, right? And so this was an old style before they had a new saddle piece that went in there. And so we were like, what the heck? It's got an Allen wrench on it and it's got a roller on it instead of this like hexagon saddle thing that locks into the spring and guides the spring and keeps it all in place. So Jim ended up spotting that. He got a hold of, I think, Tim, right?
Yeah.
At Roadmaster. And then I got a hold of Jeff Dublin at Roadmaster. He was one of our reps. And then I think Scott, we got a hold of Scott at Roadmaster. And we actually were able to get these warrantied through them to upgrade them to the current saddle purchases, is basically what they are, right?
Yeah, it's like a cradle for the spring.
So it's like a cradle and a guide.
It is. It keeps the wear off of the slipper box.
Yeah.
So it comes down to the sides of the spring. It'll take the wear from happening on the slipper box and put the wear on the saddle.
Yep.
And then the spring rides on it also, and it spreads the load across the spring in a far greater area than this little spot. It's got a flat piece probably about that long, so it spreads the load out about that all the way across the spring and maybe about that far deep.
Yeah.
Instead of this one little area.
Yeah. So eventually, if these would have kept wearing, they would have probably started dragging more, right? I mean, that one's...
It would have eventually worn through. It probably would have taken a bit. Yeah, that's the worst.
Yeah. But all four of them were that way.
Yeah. So it was a good catch on our part, and good job, Roadmaster, on coming through and supplying the parts.
Yeah, thanks so much again, Roadmaster. If anybody's watching this, like we've installed, I don't even know now, I'm going to guess and say 200 or 300 Roadmaster kits maybe. And over, the last 7-8 years, and we haven't had any of them that have had any issues whatsoever. And there's been a couple little things that we've come across over the time, like this scenario, and we've called them up and they said, sure, here, no problem. Here's what you need, and send it out. Yeah. So, all right. Well, hey, thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin and Jim, your RV specialist, California RV specialist on Lodi. And if you need any help or you haven't seen our other videos, check out some of the links that we have on the Roadmaster kits. And we appreciate you watching. Thanks so much and have a great day.
God bless.
Bye-bye.